how you guys doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. Today I am bringing you a fall glam look. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. I'm going to be using the CIATE palette from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. I'm going to be using this because these have beautiful shades, beautiful colors. That's why I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to create something in the smoky side. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and do not forget to grab your snack, your favorite drink, relax, sit back and enjoy the video. And I'm gonna go ahead and start. I have my bare face, I don't have nothing on, so yeah. Okay guys, let's start. Let me put my hair back. I'm going to start with this primer, the Problem Essence, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. I've been loving this primer so much. Next, I'm going to go in with the Kokie Skin Perfect HD foundation, and this is in the shade 20C. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade light medium, and I'm going to apply this a little bit to hide my dark circles and a little bit on my lids. I love this concealer. It blends so well, so quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my lids with the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows with the Kat Von D Brow Pomade in the shade Scarlet. Now I'm going to go in with the CIATE palette. I'm going to start with this shade right here. It's called Royal Jewel, and set my eyes with it. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, Rose Quartz, and I'm going to start to darken my crease. Now I'm going to take this shade right here called Carnelian, and I'm going to put that also in the crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in white. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this shade right here called Diamond. I'm going to apply it on my lid. Now I'm going to take this shade right here called Garnet, and I'm going to put this in my outer V. I'm going to take this shade right here, Moonstone, and I'm going to apply that under my eyebrow bone. going to take carnelian again, and I'm going to put it from my inner corner to the middle of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this beautiful glitter right here. It's called Topaz. I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bronze my face with the NARS bronzer in the shade Seaside. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some blush on with the LMR Trio, and I'm going to be taking probably these two, this and this. Next, I'm going to take this highlighter from Artist Couture, and this is in the shade Summer Glaze. I'm obsessed with this bronze, with this highlighter. Came in one of the BOXYCHARMs. I'm going to take the Catrice Prime and Fine Mattifying Powder and translucent. This is waterproof and transparent, I'm sorry, and I'm going to carve my cheeks. This is a good tip if you guys ever like go down, like you're either your bronzer or you see that you're a bit down on applying certain products. You could just carve them out and it's a quick fix. And this is the makeup look I created. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give me thumbs up. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe for more videos. I'm going to be bringing you some Halloween videos, and you guys do not want to miss it. So remember to subscribe and to leave me comments below. Let me know if you like this look. Also, let me know if you want to see a look with falsies. I am currently not applying falsies because my lashes are good, so I don't need like falsies to enhance my eyes because I have my own. But if you guys want to see that a look with falsies, let me know down below. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I love you guys so much. A lot of hugs, a lot of kisses going your way. Do not forget, if you're going through something, keep on going, head up, it will pass, I assure you of that. And if you are going with something and you cannot do it on your own, please look for help, vent with someone you know, but always keep on going. I love you guys so much. Until my next video.